If you're looking for a secure wallet for your Tron assets in 2025, then let us dive into the Tronlink wallet if it is still worth it or not. So Tronlink remains the official wallet for Tron, compatible with desktop, browsers, and mobile. It supports TRX, TRX10, and TRC20 tokens, plus seamless access to apps and staking, all within a clean interface. It has a fast transaction speeds, low fees, and smooth app integration, making it ideal for active Tron users. But if you're a multi-chain, it's a bit limited compared to wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. The final verdict for this app is that if you're deep in the Tron ecosystem, then this app is totally worth it. But for broader crypto use, you might want a more versatile options, and that's it.